How to convert MP4 to MP3. There are occasions we want to convert MP4 to MP3. We may want to save a copy of our favorite audio, use the audio in other projects, or send it to a mobile to listen on the go. Here we will sit you through 3 easy steps to convert MP4 to MP3. If the audio that you want only covers a short section in your video, you can also extract that specific part with our bonus tricks at the end of the video. The best MP4 to MP3 converter we are going to use here is called VideoProc Converter. We will put its official download page in the comment below. After installing VideoProc Converter, fire it up and grab our MP4 videos. Go to the video module here and drag and drop the MP4 video into the converter. You can add multiple files to convert MP4 to MP3 in one go. If your source video contains multiple audio files, such as multi-language voiceovers, you can see them here. Step 2. Choose MP3 as the target format here. This converter also supports many other audio formats, such as AAC, M4A, WAV, and so on. Step 3. Tick Auto Copy. Use High Quality Engine. Select an output folder. And click Run. That's it, we have successfully converted MP4 to MP3. If you only want a portion of the audio from that MP4 video, it's easy also in VideoProc Converter. After adding MP4, select the same MP4 format here and click the Cut tool. Go scrubbing and find the section we need. Drag the knobs to the start and end parts. Click Cut here. Then we export the video. It's the trimmed part with the portion of the audio we like to keep. Now add it to the working panel. Then we can select MP3 to start the conversion. That's all for today's tutorial to convert MP4 to MP3. Like us if it helps, and leave a comment if you have other questions.